Okay, it rained last night, so we know where all the holes are. Still a lot of holes, and there are more holes just beyond me van there. The good news is the drain channel that I dug appears to be draining the water well, so I think that's the water in there was causing this effect with the road. I think it's called hydraulics or something similar. That's the one we did 2 days ago. That's pretty flat. I must have put 100 or so bags of concrete down over the years. Maybe that's telling me that concrete's not the way to go. It should be gravel. That's probably true. However, apparently in a couple of months time, they're going to put a new road in here. It's not going to go all the way to the end here. It's going to come through this lot. There's an empty lot there, so they're going to bring a road up from 92nd to here and then turn it onto there, which is good. And this has just shown us even more and more holes. Continue on. It's all going down. It's looking alright. This is what happened this morning. I think I don't know if it, what was it? We used 3 bags this morning there. One guy there, one guy there, and another one there. And I'm putting cones on just so people won't get cement all over the tyres that destroy my work that I've spent so much time doing. Hope you're all doing alright there in YouTube land. Found some great weather, and consequently it allows me to get all this work done. But if you look further down here, you'll see there's still more holes here. Quite a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably about 6 or 7, which is not that many actually. We'll get this done probably by the middle of next week. Of course I can only do 3 at a time, so I've only got 3 cones. But if the holes are closer together, I can use one piece of board across and use one cone to cover two areas.